Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut Pro features without invite your friends. All you have to do now is you can practice by use stock material from you can use Pro 1 here, and you can use animation the Pro 1 here. So all you have to do, the first step is don't export your video, because you cannot export your video. You can download your video because you need to join Pro account. So to enjoy the Pro feature, you can install a recorder to your laptop or your PC and make it full screen. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.